Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Stripe, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Visit the Stripe website at stripe.com. Click on the Start Now button in the top right corner. If you don't have an account yet, select Sign Up. Enter your email address, full name, and password in the required fields. You will receive a confirmation email. Open the email and click on the verification link. Once verified, return to the Stripe site and log in. You will be prompted to complete your account setup. Provide the necessary business details, such as your business type and address. Next, enter your bank account information for payouts. Make sure to review all the entered information for accuracy. Once everything is filled out, click on Submit. After submission, you will be directed to the Stripe dashboard. From the dashboard, navigate to the Developers section on the left sidebar. Select API keys from the drop-down menu. Here, you will find your publishable and secret keys. Copy the secret key as you will need it to connect to your application. In your application, navigate to the Payment Integration section. Paste the secret key into the specified input field. Follow the documentation provided by Stripe for your specific programming language. Make sure to test the connection to ensure everything works correctly. To do this, use Stripe's test mode by toggling the switch in your dashboard. Run a test transaction using the test card numbers provided by Stripe. If the transaction is successful, your connection is established. Switch from test mode to live mode when you're ready to start accepting real payments. Continue to monitor your dashboard for any issues or transactions. Congratulations, you are now connected to Stripe. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.